How to log in Temu account. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you have previously created a Temu account and want to sign in back to access Temu for seamless online shopping and enjoy offers, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will walk you through the straightforward steps to log in your Temu account. First and foremost, open up Temu application on your mobile device. You will land on its homepage. At the bottom, tap on Sign In. You will land on the Sign In or Sign Up page. Right here, enter your email address or mobile number that you previously used to sign up your account. You can also use different methods like Google, Facebook and X to sign in or sign up Temu account. I will sign in using email address. Tap on Continue. You will be forwarded to the password section. Type in your password. I have copied it, so I will simply paste it over here. If you do not remember it anymore, then you can also tap on Forgot Password to create a new password for your Temu account. Tap on Sign In and boom. In this way, you can log into your Temu account. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.